Good morning and hey y'all, welcome to another video. This time I'm doing a voiceover in my dining room. This is actually the second look I did last night. So yes, I was like, let me go ahead and do a look with a little bit of color and the two slits in the eyebrow, but not literally cutting off my eyebrows because my eyebrows are naturally thin. Y'all already know that. If you didn't know, now you know. Ha ha ha. That part. This wig, I think this, you know what? Y'all gotta go ahead and check my other YouTube videos because I already reviewed this wig. But yes, check out the motherfucking look though. Yes. I had to come on some of them curls though, cause baby. Would I wear this wig outside? No, because the headband part, the Velcro is not secure. No. But I like the curl pattern and the length for sure, for sure. And I think it's that Synthetica. Ain't no way this shit is human here. Bitch, look at that wing. Look at them lashes. Like I said, I got lash sale going on. But let's get into this look, period. Y'all was trying to add some music. That's not the thing to do. So I went ahead and used the as usual, Ditto Cosmetics Firework Palette. The first shade I dipped into was navy. Second transition color is gonna be light bean. The third lemon, and then for the soft cut crease I use Dazzle. So let's just get that out the way. Period. Point blank. Okay. And I went ahead and used the P. Louise base. See, that's just a recap right there. Back out. I'm about to go wash some clothes this morning. What y'all doing? Yesterday was Taco Tuesday, so you know I made tacos. Period. Right now I'm up there touching up my damn hair this morning with that hair color. I'm telling y'all, if I could cut my own hair, bitch, I would. But I low-key want to grow my shit out and put some braids in. Okay, so back to the voiceover. What's going on now? Hey, I'm back. So yes, you want to concentrate that one that transition color in one part, whatever. Oh, did I tell you a bitch had COVID, bitch? Let's talk about that. Bitch, I had COVID in fucking what month was that? Bitch, fucking like the end of July. Like I think I got diagnosed like July 27th, 28th. And the only reason why I know I have fucking COVID, what bitch I did not know. My counselor, she called me because you know a bitch be going through. And you know, bitch, I'm thinking it's my depression and anxiety. I'm just in the motherfucking bed, bitch, like, oh, I'm so fucking tired. Oh, fuck. And she was like, you need to go to the emergency room. Like, get that checked out. Bitch, I go to the motherfucking emergency room, bitch. And it's like, I have to park hella far, even though they got valet for motherfucking emergency room. Bitch, you're not parking my shit. But anyways, bitch, when I said I had to walk so motherfucking far and like I could barely walk, I was hunched over like motherfucking Hunchback of Notre Dame or whatever you say that shit. Bitch, they hooked me up to the EKG machine, all that shit. Bitch. Long story short, bitch, they diagnosed me with COVID. That shit had me down for like a motherfucking month, bitch, and a half. I've been out of work since June, but I had COVID in fucking July. But anyways, bitch, I'm healthy now. I feel good. I can go back to work. Who the fuck is hiring? I just want a little part-time gig because I'd rather focus on my makeup craft and really start working on clients again. That's what I want to do. And have people come into my home. I'll wear a mask, of course, while I'm doing their fucking makeup. You know, period. You know, just have the extra protection. But I'm going to dedicate a page just strictly just for clients and people face that I want to work on. Because it's a number of people that I've been turning down. I just moved to Long Beach in fucking March. Moved into my apartment in May. So shit, a lot been going on, bitch. I was working like crazy. Since I've been in Long Beach, I only worked like 2 fucking jobs, but one was through a temp agency and the other one like at will employment. Like, bitch, you fired me, run me my motherfucking coins. But Anybody out there dealing with fucking COVID, bitch, I will fucking tell you all the shit you need to take. I literally did some fucking like home remedies, because other than that, they don't give you shit at the motherfucking hospital. Like, they ran me a fucking IV and shit like that. It was like, oh, if you have any other symptoms, come back. Bitch, what the fuck I'm gonna come back for? Y'all had me in there like, girl, I thought they was gonna have me in there overnight. I said, bitch, what? I called my brother. My fucking phone's about to die. My brother called my mom. I don't know why the fuck he called her. What the fuck she was gonna do? And called my sister. Like, what the fuck they gonna do? Nothing. My brother ain't even out here and shit. But he a real one, so that's why I fuck with him. Period. But bitch, yes, I got fucking life insurance, all that shit. Like, me and my kids covered. Anything happen to me, I fucking cross the street and fucking somebody hit me and fucking run off and I die, my kids is cool. They be set. Y'all gotta think, like, ain't nobody trying to fucking have selling barbecue plates and fucking washing vehicles. Y'all need to get fucking life insurance. See how this be switching off from the fucking makeup to COVID to life insurance, bitch. Y'all need to. And don't say you can't afford that, bitch. I don't even have a job and I can afford that shit. I would get that fucking life insurance for y'all kids, because people don't think, like, when you die, bitch, the motherfuckers that still living gotta deal with that shit. You understand what I'm saying? Ooh, bitch, this coffee getting to me? Ooh, I had a whole glass of coffee. Why the fuck did I do that? I can only have 1 cup of coffee a day. Well, bitch, I had a whole tall glass, but... But yeah, I got life insurance through Primerica. And I used to work for them. I'm gonna work for them again. I'm gonna take the classes and everything. I'm gonna call the guy, because just how I like to sit down and talk to people and shit, I don't even have to come to your home and you're like, the whole COVID thing and pandemic shit. Bitch, I can sign you up over the motherfucking phone. Let me just take my classes, pass the test again, and I'm gonna start signing up people for life insurance, because that's where the fucking money at. Period. Like, y'all really need to fucking think about this shit. Fuck a GoFundMe page, bitch. Period. Anyways, blend for your motherfucking life, y'all. Normally, I don't even do my eyeshadow like that. But, bitch, it's a look. Look at the motherfucking glow. That highlighter I got on is from Glamour Eyes by 𝗀. It's the glam lighter in the shade Nefertiti. Alrighty, I'm back. So, what else I want to talk about? Content critiquing. I learned a lot from, how you say her name? It's 𝗧𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗀. Like, she's a very popular beauty influencer, African American. But anyways, like, I think she still go live on Thursdays on Instagram. But a few things that she was talking about, like, hop on trends. Like, you see them doing the butterfly trend, do that. 𝗁, remember when Cardi and Megan came out with 𝗁? Hop on that. I don't be doing all that, but I'm trying. Another thing, she said, post makeup look once. That right there, that make fucking sense. I be seeing girls and guys, because you know guys do makeup too, fucking post the same motherfucking makeup look several fucking times. You're not gonna get the same amount of motherfucking likes. You better pick the best motherfucking pictures and post that shit once. Now, once you post that shit on Instagram, post a TikTok video, a snippet of you doing the makeup, shit like that. Just make like a whole motherfucking slide. What else? Don't be afraid to collab. Let me tell you something. I am not afraid to collab, but it's a simple fact. I need to collab. The next collab I do, I need to collab with like-minded people like me. Like, give a fuck what you putting out there. You know what I'm saying? And be damn near on the same level of fucking better. And I shouldn't have to be on grown-ass women fucking backs like, oh, I need your look by certain date and time. But you got to be like that. This business at the end of the fucking day. Feel me? But collabs are fun, though. And Halloween coming up, I'm really trying to collab with some queens, period. So I'm about to be in people DM like, you want to collab? You want to collab? What else? Oh, she said no black boxes on newsfeed. I said no black boxes. Okay, bet. Excuse me. You know how fucking like you can post a fucking video, make sure it's not a black box, like make sure it's your face or something. So that makes sense on your news feed. She said like, comment, and follow other people. I do. But if you ain't got no content and you're not consistent, I'm not fucking with you. I can't. The fuck? Excuse me, I got a cough. Oh yeah, and she said TikTok trends as well. TikTok be having trends as well. I be on TikTok, but I don't be on TikTok like that. I need to be on there. Tag brands. For sure I'm gonna tag these brands because I ain't on PR for nobody and I'm buying these products with my own coins, period. What else she said? Like stretch content. Let's get back to that. Like just don't post like one pic. Stretch your content like take several pictures, make a TikTok video. You can make a YouTube video or a mini tutorial on the makeup look. Shit like that. What else she said? Oh, give followers some love. Most definitely I'll give my followers love, period. That's why they fuck with me, because I'm a real one. Big. What else she said? Do action shot for makeup videos for YouTube and IG. I don't remember what she meant by that, really. Show personality. Psst. Hello. I'm always showing my personality. She said use more hashtag, like 25 to 30. I can barely think of motherfucking 10. I'll be like, Zay baby, what the fuck you mean, bitch? What else? Oh, keep bios simple, like age, location, if you're MUA or MUE. So shit like that. Don't put a grip of shit on there. Post tutorials. I need to post fucking tutorials. That's what I need to fucking do as well. I have not been posting no tutorials on my news feed besides going live on Instagram and then, you know, share it to the IGTV. But yeah, that's content critiquing. Cause I used to try to like have her like critique my shit, but I never got picked. But I wrote down everything she said. But I hope y'all really enjoyed this tutorial. I mean, bitch, look at me. What filter? And I got an Android anyways. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.